everyone, this is Miss AJ, and I hope you guys are doing great, and I know you're enjoying your vacation. So, today on Zoology, we're going to be learning about the life cycle of a frog. We're going to be learning about the life cycle of a frog. This is Mr. Frog, and he's my friend. And today, I'm going to be telling you how Mr. Frog came into existence. And I know at the end of this video, you'll be able to tell me the 4 stages of the life cycle of a frog. Now, are we ready? Yeah, so come with me. A frog is an animal that can live on land and in the water. I take it again. A frog is an animal that can live on land and in the water. Here is a very beautiful picture. Do you know what this is? This is an egg. And the first stage of the life cycle of a frog starts with the egg. These eggs, they can't live on land. They can only live inside the water. If they live on land, they might not survive it. So the eggs of a frog, it's always inside the water. Now when the egg hatches, it brings forth a tadpole. It brings forth a tadpole. And the tadpole is the second stage of the life cycle of a frog. A tadpole lives inside the water, not on land. A tadpole is also called a baby frog, and they live inside the water. From the tadpole, it goes through a process and it becomes a froglet. This is the picture of a froglet. And the froglet is the third stage of the life cycle of a frog. Now from the froglet, it goes through another process and becomes a very big frog. And this is what we call the adult frog. Now Mr. Frog is now an adult. It can live both inside the water and on land. The 4th stage of the life cycle of a frog is known as the adult frog. Now, let's go over it again. I said the first stage of the life cycle of a frog is the egg, and from the egg to the tadpole, and from the tadpole it goes into the froglets, and from the froglets it becomes an adult frog. So we have the egg, the tadpole, the froglets, and the adult frog. Now children, this is the end of my beautiful story, and I know we all have learned about how Mr. Frog came into existence. I want you to watch this beautiful video, and in our next class I'm going to ask you questions. See you next time. Goodbye guys.